Right, there we go. I got it restarted and everything, and I meant to stop or pause the stream, and I stopped the stream, so whoops, my bad. All right, lesson learned. Do not look up uses for Chrome. Got it. But I do know that it's necessary for the, was it the highly advanced machine chassis or machine frame or whatever it is. So, the tier 3 TechReborn piece. So, that's something I'm going to have to get a bunch of. All right. I'm going to have to rearrange this room, aren't I? Eesh. So you're an HP transformer. Okay, can the spikes settle down, please? Alright. Yeah, 22 buckets of UU matter. How is my my backlog of cells going here? Quite a bit. Okay. I'm going to keep running the nuke until those run out, and I think that's going to get decommissioned after that. I don't really see a whole lot of point in continuing on. Let's move my window a bit. There we go. So let's see what we have for cable. We have 22 glass fiber. All right. Let's put the advanced machine blocks away. I don't really need those right this second. So go check on our peat progress. Yeah, we got some. All right, and let's keep going. I should probably cook up my peat real quick, so make sure I have the ash I need. Just for in the future, it'd be nice to have it. And I meant to look up how to automate peat in 110, and I forgot. So alright, so let's go to furnace only mode. And we'll start cooking that up. That is still working. Good. A lot of energetic alloy. That will come in handy. And let's put the dirt away. Alright, cable recipe though. Energium dust. Diamond dust. Alright. Alright, well. Let's grab a stack of diamonds out, I guess, and let's go macerate them up. Well, I can crush them. Alright, cool. Let's crusher them up. Thank you. And what else did I need? I need silver dust, so let's just grab a stack of silver, I guess. There we go. I could sag mill it, but that's hooked up to the auto smelt thing, so let's not do that. Okay, what do we got going on here? I've got silver dust here still. Right, let's just bring up cable. Glass fiber. You gonna do it? Go all the way, right? Alright, that'll work for now. That's HB, I don't want HB. Here we go. What am I low on? Am I low on glass? No? There, that's better. Oh, come on. Do the thing where it just makes it all. Alright. So, yeah, I don't know if this room's going to be big enough. It's not, actually. I can guarantee you this is not going to cut it, unfortunately. Alright, well, let's come down here. Check on you. Yeah, you're running out pretty quick. So, damn. Now I can put like my grinders down here if I want, but oh, no. Oh, there we go. Mufasa is empty currently. I can actually get rid of this if I change out the power port on my generator here. So we're only doing... Oh, God. We're not doing a whole lot. Okay. Alright. Let's build up some syngas so I can see what I'm playing around with here. I'm pretty certain I can get by with just HV. I don't need the EV, the extreme voltage. But, you know, it's... I don't want to find out the hard way that I do need to have that EV there. Alright, now let's look up again. What has carbon in it? Because I'm really liking the syngas. Alright, excuse me there. Carbon dioxide generated from calculator. Amethyst wood. Red coal has the same carbon as like coal powder and coal does. Okay. Carbon cells actually do not have carbon. That's weird. Sawdust from TechReborn comes from a sawmill. And I get paper out of it. Which requires water. I can put water in the tank or I can use water cells. So, not a problem there. But that will get me 4 planks, 3 sawdust, some paper. 5 seconds per operation, though. I think the sag mill is actually quicker than that, so let's not do that. Although that would give me... Oh, that's... Shit, that's 1,600 right there. See, that would be the equivalent of like 4 sawdust. That's really not worth it then. Charcoal dust. Yeah, that's not worth it either, is it? How do I get small piles of charcoal dust? From large piles of charcoal dust. Okay. And by polarizing charcoal, 16 to 16, there's no point in doing that. Dark steel balls, I actually might be able to... Every other one will be doubled. So I'll actually get extra carbon by doing that, but it's not really worth it. Let's see, what else we got going on here? Wood pulp. Which, sag milling wood. Planks will give me a 90% chance of 1. So there's not much point in doing that either. Oh, let's see. What do I have? I have a stone separator. Which sticks don't have carbon. That's weird. Block cutting machine would give me 6. So with the cutting machine from Advanced Rocketry, Precision Sawmill will give me... Oh, that's a bookcase. That's why it's 6. I'm like, table, jukebox. Here we go. Log will give me 6 plus sawdust, but sawdust has no carbon. Alright. Chiseling and sawmill. That's it, huh? Damn. If I'm going to be using that, I just need a bigger tree farm, I think. More sag mills might help, too. Let's go check our chest. How's it doing? Oh, yeah. Sag mills. More sag mills. Can I? Thank you. So, I'm missing a machine chassis? Really? I'm out of those finally? That's carpenter with seed oil. Oh. Alright. I'm going to work this. Oh, hey, look at that. 900 ardite. Cool. Plus another 894 ardite dust. Alright. Yeah, machine block, machine casing. Yeah. Advanced alloy. Got 2 different types. You Automatic precision dropper. Oh, that's right. I was going to use that to feed things into the into that, but the conduit plugged right in, so didn't have to. I'm trying to think of things I can do to speed that up, because right now syngas is pretty much my best method. Let's see. Let's go here. Now, okay, you're up to 18,000 buckets, so always on. We're generating a flat 2,000 EU a tick. All right. You generate 2048, so I could actually get away without having this if I didn't, like, say, add any more turbines and swapped out the insane voltage emitter with the high voltage one I made previously. So I got HP transformer there to throttle everything through. Got this whole cluster back here. So let's see. You know what? I think it might be time to do some experimentation here. So turbine, gas turbine controller. So let's come over here. Okay, whoop. Like spike, thank you. We're going to put that down. We're going to get ourselves, let's go with the manual and turbine. All right, so we're good. It's empty. It'll generate 500 RF a tick. I have no emitter on there right now. Let's go with just high density power capacitor. There we go. Now the thing can store quite a bit of power. Oh, hey, God, it's right here, staring me in the face. So oil bucket's 200. Rocket fuel is 1120. Biogas is 128. I didn't need to do this, actually. Biomass, biodiesel in the turbine generator. Really? Crystallized oil bucket. All right. Ethanol, canola, and empowered. Where is my syngas at, though, for comparison? I don't know. Tank of hydrogen, 43 R per millibucket. All right. See, I can run biodiesel pretty easily. So one bucket will give me... crap. I'm going to also need a... Oh! I should probably make one of those and put in there. A fluid intake valve might be a good idea. And then let's get ourselves a tank, right? Say just, that's a deep resonance tank. I don't want that. I want a pressurized tank. There we go, fluid tank. Put that there. We're going to say you are going to auto output there. Biodiesel bucket. You are now, yep, you'll hold a full gallon or a full bucket worth. It is currently burning 0.9 millibuckets per tick. All right, that's good news. Output configuration, I don't have anything set up to output with, so. Per tick. Where can I see how much this thing's got stored? But we're burning, okay, this will work though. We're burning 0.9 in millibuckets per tick. All right. How about some syngas now? It would help if I can spell. Really help if I can spell. Syngas can, that'll work. Boom, in you go. 0.5 millibuckets per tick. So syngas is better than diesel. All right. That's good to know. turbine generator, and then we have the gas turbine from TechReborn. So, fire water. How do you make fire water again? Alright, that's not a big help at all. Because, yeah, biodiesel is actually pretty bad in this case, I think. Ethanol, canola oil. Canola oil is even worse. It's only 80 R per millibucket. Ouch. Empowered oil. Yeah, that's a multiple step process I don't want to deal with right now. Smooth crystallized ethanol. Ethanol, I can... That's forestry fuel, so... Biomass is 80 R per tick versus ethanol is 800. Oof. Firewater, biogas. Biogas is pretty pitiful, actually. Get down to it. So it kind of looks like rocket fuel and firewater are our best options. Like, say... Yep. What is 0.38 millibuckets per tick? And that is firewater, right? Yeah. So that's not bad. How do we make it? Because I do not remember. Firewater is hooch, blaze powder, and redstone. Hey, that would do it. I cannot look up the recipe for hooch, though. Alright, whatever. Alright, so experimentation time done. Let's clean up our mess. That was everything, right? Yeah. Oh. Hold on. And the bucket. Alright. So, fire water I could do. And that would generate more power. I could conceivably also... How would I do that? Okay, well, let's go make a fuel air mixer while I'm thinking about this. Yeah. So, mixer, right? Fuel air mixer, gas mix compressor. Okay, let's do that. Let's get that. Okay, what are you now? Advanced pressure valves. Okay. Alright, do I not have pressure valves? Alright, well, that's an easy fix. And a gas mix compressor. Let's go put these in now. I can't believe I forgot these. Same time, it has been quite a while since I played with advanced generators, so... Alright, so you're going to build up again? It's actually generating syngas at a pretty good rate. The problem is it's burning it even faster. Alright, well. Save on redstone. So we're looking at 6 millibuckets a tick. 4.4. So it actually throttles back the consumption. At 4.4, I may be able to... It looks like it's somewhat holding steady-ish. No, it's still dropping. Okay. Alright, well. Now, what do I have, like, for seed oil? I don't have any. God damn it. I think all my forestry stuff's like in here, right? Okay, I want a squeezer and a carpenter. So we're going to put Squeezer here, carpenter there. You have power, you just need like seeds. All right. Think I can work with this. Like spike. Thank you. All right. So if I put you in my squeezer, you're gonna mess things up, aren't you? There we go. And you're missing out on stuff again, aren't you? There. Now it should actually start processing, right? Hopefully. So, squeezer, canola seeds equals what? Canola oil, right? Oh, no, actually equals seed oil. Awesome. That works. Holy crap, it's loud up here. All right. And thank you for that. Lovely. Okay, you're producing seed oil. Produce more. Put that there like that. Let's get some conduit, I guess. Because I'm going to go like that and that. You are going to always be active, extract, pump it into here. Alright, so getting seed oil. Awesome. I could probably put a circuit board in here to speed it up. I don't really feel like monkeying around with circuit boards at this point in time. They're a little bit of a pain, mind you. Oh, not if you're used to forestry. Thing is, I'm not. So... Okay. Now you're just starting here and moving your way through. Okay. That will work. What do you... Empty socket. Yeah, that's where the circuit goes. So I'm going to need to really set up a whole lot of infrastructure-ish stuff. Using 5,000 RF. You take maximum input 1,100 RF. Holy crap. You're not having a problem keeping up, mind you. But wow. All right. So, time to get the rest of the stuff for the machine chassis together, right? Say, iron bars times 6. It is a casing, right? Yep, sturdy casing. It is an iron casing and a capacitor. Basic capacitor. All right. There's that. Come over here to the carpenter, which is now up to 600. I am getting a lot of lag spike. Probably time to restart my computer, actually. I think it's sturdy casing, iron casing, and capacitor, right? It says no recipe. But it's not going to show a recipe until this thing gets at least a bucket of seed oil into it. Which it's getting there, mind you. So how much can this thing burn? 1,100 for the carpenter and 1,100 for the squeezer, huh? I may have the casing and sturdy casing and iron casing swapped, but don't know. Kind of hard to tell. Now, what does it take to make a sturdy casing again? It is bronze gears, bronze item casings, and bronze plates. How are we looking on, like, the bronze stuff? We got a bunch of item casings. We have, like, no bronze plates, and we have no bronze, really, to speak of. So we're going to do that. You should almost be there. Yep, 960-ish. And climbing. And, yep, I did have the recipe correct. Okay, cool. Machine casing. All right, now time for a sag mill, right? Time for another sag mill. And I want a capacitor. Octactic, please. Thank you. We're going to put you here. You're going to pull from there. And I forgot item conduits. Lovely. Oh well. Conduit item. There we go. And we're going to say always active. Whoop. Lag spike. Thank you. That was great. So how you working? All right. Well, it's got more wood chippings in there at a time. I'm actually thinking about just breaking this right here. Just simply because, like I said, we're at a pretty good amount of UU matter right now. 22 buckets worth. And I have the capability to get UU matter in other ways. So, like iridium ingot. Iridium nuggets comes from, well, cooking up like iridium rods and stuff. How about the other iridium ingot or nuggets? TechReborn ones. Centrifuge, platinum, gives me 2 and a little bit of nickel. Sheldonite ore with mercury gives me 3 platinum, a nickel dust, and 2 iridium nuggets. With just regular water, it only gives me 2 platinum. But each 2 platinum will give me 2 more nuggets. So, and then scrap boxes. But that can be considered 5 iridium per sheldonite ore, 5 iridium nuggets. So that's not horrible, actually. It takes 5 seconds per go. This one's only 4, but it doesn't require me setting up mercury. What recipes are there now for platinum? Okay, platinum ore, nice. Crusher. Like garnierite ore is nickel and a little bit of platinum. All right. That's pretty much all that is, huh? Nickel ore from immersive engineering gives a little bit of platinum as well. Okay. Fusion reactor, wolframium plus beryllium equals platinum dust. Not great. Iridium ore, if I can somehow get my hands on it, is iridium ingot plus platinum dust. Sheldonite, and nickel ore. From immersive engineering with mercury. Really now? Oh, that's the only way to get that. So if I go industrial grinder, with water I get a small pile of platinum dust. With mercury I get a large pile. So I can actually get quite a bit of platinum if I want. That's something to think about. And let's put some more canola away here. So you're doing good? Alright. Let's see. Are you... Yeah, you're now done. So, grab some more alloy. 1, 2. And let's get some pearls, right? I need 8 stacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That just, like, half of my interpol's gone. But now we're making vibrant alloy. Not quite so important yet, but getting there. All right, so let's look at quantum, right? Because apparently this should be good, right? Okay, so the carpenter with liquid carbon from Neotech. Hello, electric crucible, charcoal to liquid carbon. All right. That's not horrible. Electric centrifuge is molten steel equals iron and carbon. All right. Okay, I can live with that. But okay, so 3,600 millibuckets of liquid carbon. We need 4 end diamond blocks, a shape card quarry, and 4 rimmed black stable stone, which is from rimmed stable stone, which is from stable stone, which is IC2 basalt. So I need some or analyzing chamber. Can I get out of there, please? Thank you. So if we come into here, do we have any stabilized stone in here? Stable stone. Excuse me. Inscriber, cable facade. Think we used it all up on inscribers. Yep, rimmed stable stone, huh? Damn. Only have 2. Is this not running? It should be. It's backlogged. Oh, damn it. Okay, where is it jammed up at now? Okay. You have nowhere to go. Why are these all showing like negatives? What? Oh my god, it's... yeah, okay, I don't know how exactly Reek set this all up, but... yeah, it's jammed up pretty good. Quantum storage unit. It only holds one thing, doesn't it, I think? Damn. And it requires an obscene amount of emeralds. 8 per storage circuit. We need 9 storage circuits per data orb, and we need 4 data orbs. That's 288 emeralds, which we can probably actually do now without a problem. But I would much rather have a quantum tank for some things, which requires quantum storage unit, which requires, yeah. All right, so the quantum quarry actuator requires iridium reinforced plates, which requires IC2 iridium ore. All right. Molecular transformer, I can get... can I make one of these things yet? Advanced machine casings, EV transformer, MT core. Requires a iridium reinforced plate. Whoops. Which I just looked at, so I need 4 iridium ore. Thick neutron reflectors require copper plate, and neutron reflectors, which require tin dust, powdered tin, copper plate, and crushed coal. All right. So that's not too bad, except for this. Reinforced is irradiant uranium and reinforced glass. Reinforced glass is advanced alloy and glass. Irradiant uranium is 4 glowstone around a uranium ingot each. So it's not horrible, mind you, until you start looking at the iridium. That was the wrong one. By rights, I probably should like label all these things, but they already take up enough room whenever you're looking around. Iridium reinforced plate. Okay, we're doing it. So, recipe, molecular transformer. That's all I'm missing. I am missing the MT core. I'm missing, looks like, all of it. So I need 5 copper plates plus 4 more, so I need 9. 18 of them. Okay. No, I'm just going to grab a couple stacks and come on over here. Go, and there. And now, like, get some tin, because I need pulverized tin, powder tin, whatever you want to call it. Platinum. Yeah, not quite it. We get 2 stacks of you and toss it into our crusher. There. Got that done, not a problem. Iridium ore. Okay, recipe for you is for this guy. 9 million EU. Actually, I think I could produce it faster this way than I could with the EU matter. So I need 4 of these. That's 4 tin dust, 4 coal dust, which I think I have. 1, 2, 3. Oh, thank God. They stack at least. Right. Well, there's 1. Alright. I can be happy with that so far. We're going to need, what, 12 uranium? Which is actually solar power panel material usually. Let's see. Uranium ore, this thing, that, and reinforced glass, huh? I need 6 of these, so I need 36 total. I have 5. Come on, get in there. There's 22. Oh, come on. No, just recipe that. IC2 advanced alloy. That's it. I can't use the good one. Whoops, crap. This one requires plates. Oh, I guess that'll work. And let's see, compressor, right? Yep. How are you doing? You are done. Cool. So how are we doing on plutonium anyway? Well, I'm waiting for things to process now. We got a lot of plutonium. Alright, I can live with that. You're working decently fast. Alright, I can live with that. Now, double check. Are you making what? You're actually making the alloys. Okay. I don't have to further process. Awesome. So, recipes. 36. Hey, perfect. Some uses. Gas turbine, scanner. That's probably we had some already. Replicator, quantum suit helmet, night vision goggles, and radiant glass panes. And I got 6 of those guys now. Let's go back to here. And I don't know why it does that. I needed 4 of you, right? To make this thing. Yep. Awesome. I think we're there. I think I can make the core now. There's the core. Awesome. What? Can I, by chance? No. Damn it. Alright, let's grab this back, and we're going to say, hey, this thing. Okay, missing that. Alright, so recipe for that. Sorry, uses for that. That. Really? me that. Clear that out. Uses that there. Thank you. Molecular transformer. So now I'm going to want, like, say, maybe hoppers? A hopper? Say some conduit. Some of that. And some iron. And now, let's see. Now comes the fun part. We're disconnecting that now. These guys all flow into this transformer here. Do I have my... I do not have my wrench on me. Okay. What I need to do is I need to flip, excuse me, that one around. And that should reverse the whole, it should reverse the polarity pretty much, so to speak, right? Where is my wrench at? It's in my chest, isn't it? Damn lag spikes, man. There we go. So... Here we go. You are still receiving power from over here now. Right? Which, these guys... Actually, this one here anyway. Oh, no. Dang it. You are starting to fill up with ethanol. Well, you were until I reversed polarities on that Mufasa. We have a medium voltage solar array here, which is helping. Got watermills, windmills, which are not working. Low voltage solar arrays. Ow. You are generating power. That's just from the nuke. That's all that is. What are you doing down here? You are currently on hold. Right? You're currently not outputting any power because there's nothing that needs power. Nice. There we go. So now, okay, we're looking at molecular transformer, right? Let's go with uses. Okay, I'm paranoid enough. I am going to, I'm going to pop open Chrome real quick. Molecular transform. What voltages can this thing take before I nuke myself? I don't have enough iridium to do anything else currently. Okay, block added by the Advanced Solar Panels mod. Okay. A certain item into another item is more valuable or difficult to obtain using a significant amount of energy in the form of EU. In many cases, the input and output items are in some way related or have similar color. You must input from the top and output from the bottom when using any type of item pipe. Alright. Let's see. Emits light, yes. I'm going to use this in crafting. Alright, So we can turn wither skeleton skulls into nether stars with this thing, for one. But we can also turn iron ingots into iridium ore, which is awesome. It doesn't... Damn, it doesn't... It, yeah, no, it doesn't mention an EU per tick that I can do. So, a little bit worried about this, mind you. Industrial diamond to output to diamond. Oh, that's not bad. Glowstone into Cenarium. That's how you're supposed to get Cenarium, actually. Wish me luck. Where did it go? On my hotbar. Okay. Okay. Ooh, fancy gooey. Nice. That. And then conduit can go there. Don't want you connecting there. Here, you're going to be always active on the extract. And now we're just going to put some iron in you. EU in, 5 EU, 5 to 12 EU a tick. Because the transformer's right there. And there we go. Okay, it's kind of bouncing a little bit between the two, but it's getting 2048 from here and from here. It's also getting 512 from this HP transformer. Okay. I don't trust. Facing north, right? Okay. I think if I go here. No, I can't actually do the thing here. I was hoping I could disable the side so it would only be pulling from the 2048, but excuse me. So how full is this thing now? It is decently full. I mean, not greatly full. Because after I get the, what, 4 stacks of iridium? 5 stacks? I'm going to get this thing put to work on wither skulls. Thank you. And it's made 2 iridium for me so far, actually. Let's go double check that. Yep, we have 2 iridium there, so will be 3. Yep, there's 3. So actually, it's only made 1, I think. It probably pulls 1 out of the stack, holds it in here somewhere while it's going through. So, not a problem. Come here to the squeezer, put these canola seeds in there. You are 5 buckets worth. Nice. So whenever I need to make a machine frame, I can. I've got some automated system set up, which does make me kind of happy. I do love the tech. The thing is it's actually just a little bit late at night for me to be starting with TechReborn stuff. I do not have enough caffeine in my system to be thinking that's a good idea. And so I think I'm going to end off the stream here in just a few. Put some stuff away here that I'm going to go check on the... Put that stuff away. Syngas stuff. There we go. How are you? You are not quite empty yet. But it is catching up. That's less wood than there was the last time I checked. You are not backfilling at all yet. I really doubt you will be now that I picked that thing up. This thing's going to suck up every little bit of power it can get its hands on. I have a feeling. But hey, does what it says on the box, though. Thermal centrifuge, yeah, you're not needed right now. Industrial centrifuge, I'm going to be rearranging the stuff, I think. I'm thinking I'm going to have... This is going to be like the IC2 room. Well, kind of. Well, it does say IC2 or Industrial Craft 2 on it now. On the tooltip. But, I'm going to have a TechReborn room. Somewhere else. And it may not even be on this platform. It may be a smart idea to start separating things out a bit. Because, I mean, okay. We can have everything on here. But issues, you know. We do have the mining dimension we can go set up some stuff in. Still kind of thinking about putting a solar panel out there. Kind of a higher tier solar panel, but, you know, still a solar panel. From environmental tech. The thing is, I don't really need the stuff yet. The, what you call it? The RF. Yeah, I'm not exhausted at all, honest. So do we have treated wood? We do. Fences. Is my manual in here? Engineer's manual. Okay. I want to make a water tank. Or a tank. Tank. Needed 34 iron sheet metal. Okay. Uranium and lead sheet metal. Aluminum, lead, silver, iron. Here we go. Needed 34, right? Yeah, well. So, and this thing's current output is up to here. All right. Well, like that, I think. I had it on my hotbar. I'm trying to remember how this works. Okay. So, not like that. There's that. I don't have my hammer on me, though. Is that in here, too? Yep. What? Need caffeine badly. Or to call it a night. I think we're just going to call it a night for now. It's kind of toying with the idea of going and getting some coffee and whatnot, but... Whoop. Grab that off there. Well now. Why are you not doing the thing? Huh. Because I'm using freaking IC2 cables, not conduit. Oh, wow. One more, and there we go. And now I just need to take this and whack that. Okay. You don't really have a GUI, but I assume you're filling up. Then I can extract from the bottom if I want. But my current farming setup for the biodiesel is a lot superior in production than the wood pulp is. So came over here though for a bucket. I think that's how you're actually supposed to top. All right. Yep, there we go. So we got 10 buckets in it. Yeah, you hold a bucket in your hand, it'll tell you how much is in there. That's... I kind of think the hammer should do it instead, or as well, but yeah, we got a little green bar showing up now. Cool. That is our back supply. We're going to go over to the old base, which the only thing there is the diesel setup, actually. Everything else is pretty much gone. Oh my god, the butterflies. Butterflies everywhere. And let's see. Yeah, there's transformers and everything else around here, but... Whoop. Oh, Dew's still here. Hey, Dew. Sorry, I forgot about you. Thank you. Those things are running. That is our current output. I should be able to do that. You're going to fill up with the... Oh, Jesus Christ. Yeah, you're fine. You're fine. Waypoints back to the platform. No, not those. No. There we go. Cool. Still working. And it's eating, burning through syngas right now. Outputting 2,000 EU a tick. Kinda. I don't really believe that, but... Yep. You... Okay, you're drained. Alright, cool. How about you? You... are drained. Okay. Ouch. Okay, what's going on here? .2048, and occasionally it flickers to 0. Alright. I think I just isolated that from the system, so, and now I can just grab that out of there. Now what do you say? 2048? Occasionally it triggers a 0. It's kind of annoying. It works. We're making a dent in it, so that's good news. Let's do a quick check on the nuke, because I just put something really expensive next to it. And it just swapped over without a hassle, so we're doing good here too. Okay, it's only generating 180 EU a tick, but... yeah. What you gonna do? Yep. Iron ingot to iridium ore, which is awesome. Let me see. Let's isolate this out for a second. And we're going to pull that out of there. And do that. And like so, right? The downside is going to be that I don't have a way to get power out of the MFE to do this. Unless I breach containment even more. But that MFE is not going to stop anything if the nuke actually does decide to blow. So, all the force would come through that little hole right there. Alright, now... if I take out the MV transformer... right? Well, I'm going to take this out so I can get up in here. If I take this guy out, so I don't accidentally blow anything up. You only take 120. Yeah, no. Oh, hell. Now what? Omni tool, work in progress coming soon. There's no recipe for that. The rock cutter is TechReborn. That's kind of cool. Nano saber, jackhammer, chainsaw. What was this? The electrolyzer too. All right. How about you? Nope. God damn it. I knew it was going to happen too. Freaking knew it was going to happen. The goddamn wrench wasn't touching it though. It was either that or I had an explosion on my hands. There. So I'll have to make another electrolyzer. Not a huge deal, but annoying. So it's now quickly draining out the nuke. We're getting exactly 2,000 RF from the generator down there. We're getting 2048 coming through there. Which I think I pretty much just drained that. I'm getting the occasional flicker now of 2048. Okay. So it really didn't make a whole lot of difference. However, I want to, with my biodiesel setup. Yeah, I'm only burning 4.4 millibuckets a tick right now. Oh, of syngas, okay. But I'm producing an even 2,000 EU a tick. So, or 8,000 RF a tick if I was running RF out of this thing. The converters are disabled by default in this pack, aren't they? Yeah, it looks like it. Damn. I know the older versions of TechReborn had a EU to RF converter block. You slap it down and it would swap it, like one went RF to EU, the other one went EU to RF. It's freaking amazing. I can easily do EU to RF with electrical engines, but I can't really easily take RF and pump to EU that I can remember off the top of my head here. So I'm kind of doing a bit of a messy job with that, with the cloches and everything back here, because they run off of RF, but they're outputting EU by burning ethanol. So this thing's actually full. Why are these? I don't know. This one's pumping out power. This one's pumping out power. That one's full of power. So I don't know. Watermills are going, windmills aren't. What a surprise. And thank you. Awesome. Let's check our levels of iridium now. Eight. Sweet. Put the transformers away. Sheet metal, reinforced stone, machine block, transformer. Put the cable away too. There we go. And I'm going to put that back, I guess. And that's there. And might as well put those away. Awesome. Well, I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up now. Grand total has been like an hour and a half stream or so. But thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed tonight's stream. And until next time, signing out. Have fun.